In today's highly developed society, efficiency has become an essential prerequisite of our daily lives. However, the food and beverage industry is facing escalating challenges. Labor shortages, rising costs, language barriers, and heavy operational burdens. As we strive for higher efficiency, can we still preserve the warmth and hospitality that lie at the very heart of dining? The answer to this question is here. The AI steam cooking machine. Powered by saturated steam technology, it cooks in just 60 seconds. Balancing speed and quality, it delivers standardization while locking in flavor. High-temperature steam ensures sterilization while preserving natural nutrients and freshness. Our Taiwan ISO and HACCP dual-certified central kitchen utilizes full cold chain logistics to guarantee peace of mind for every dish. Advanced steam reheating faithfully restores the complex flavors crafted by chefs, consistently delivering that same great taste, making premium quality an everyday standard at a reasonable price. The AI steam cooking machine is far more than just equipment, a great helper for restaurant owners and chefs. Requiring a footprint of just 3.3 square meters, it fits seamlessly from street shops and food trucks to cloud kitchens. Compatible with over 170 dishes, the entire process is fully automated. It reduces labor dependency while achieving consistent quality and stable operations. Real-time AI multilingual translation eliminates language barriers for a welcoming ordering experience.
Running seamlessly around the clock, it boosts efficiency and slashes costs. With a lean staff, it can generate up to $4,000 in daily revenue, maximizing efficiency and profitability. This is the new standard of restaurant management.
Lohas fast food. Healthy, eco-friendly, high value, and a warmth that never changes. Beyond the technology lies the human connection forged through food. We look forward to walking into that future together with you.